pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Elkton, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distances is one of those major life transitions that disrupts daily life, distracts us from our routine, but usually ends up with a positive outcome. Having experienced movers to help can make getting through it much easier. 3 movers is an excellent choice for your moving company, but you should always consider several good movers before deciding. We are a full-service moving company in Elkton, Maryland, that offers professional services for people moving to their new house and business owner at affordable prices, stress-free. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Elkton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.